If you've never heard the word copywork before, or maybe you've heard it 100 times and you still aren't sure what it means, this is the video for you. I'm Kelly, and I've been a homeschooling mom for 24 years. I have 11 kids. I know, a lot. And 5 still at home. I've graduated 7. And I did something a long time ago to simplify our homeschooling, and I'm so thankful I did. I started using Copywork instead of standard English language curriculum. Now, before you think that's crazy, I used to be a high school English teacher. So I was the teacher that required my kids to diagram sentences and do all that stuff. But over the years, we have learned that English or language is not best learned by dissecting all the little parts. It's best learned by immersing yourself in it and using it. And that's what Copywork allows us to do. So here's how it works. Depending on the age of the child, I select a passage or a book that they're reading. I make sure it's really well-written literature. This is the secret, if you will, or the important part about Copywork. Make sure it's well-written literature. I have them get a notebook, and they write out either a couple of sentences, maybe a paragraph. My older ones will write out an entire page. The second part that's the most important is that they're writing it exactly as it's written, because they are learning spelling, they're learning vocabulary, they're learning capitalization, they're learning sentence structure by just copying well-written literature. This is a practice that has been happening for years. People have done this for years. And some really amazing authors do this to hone their writing skills and improve their skills. Some of our forefathers did it to improve their writing skills. So it is that simple. You can replace English curriculum with the exercise of Copywork. Now, if you still feel like you need a little help, I have created some resources that's going to simplify this so much for you. I have a course called Simply Copywork, and it gives just a clearer and more detailed overview of how you can use this in your homeschooling every day. There are also a few bonuses that come with that, including a module about how to document this on a transcript, or if you have to show your specific work. There's another PDF that shows you a year in a glance, and it gives you just real detailed how to make this a part of your everyday homeschooling. And then thirdly, there is an actual selected passages that I've chosen. I think it's 5 per age group in different categories that you can just start using right away. But even after that course, and I've gotten some really great feedback, a lot of moms ask me for an actual curriculum, like what's something I can copy and let my children use that I don't even have to think about what Copywork, what books. And I created that. It's a Copywork passage library by age. So when you get that, you're going to get 50 passages, depending on the age group, 50 per age. There are 5 different categories. It's literally ready to print and use immediately. So I think you'll find this very helpful. And I'm going to link to all these resources in the description, so you can find them there. This simplifies homeschooling for you. It simplifies homeschooling for your children. Trust me, they're going to love this. And by the way, if you happen to have a child who is dyslexic or suffers with dysgraphia, I've had so many moms email me to say that Copywork was really the only thing that helped their child. So I can't wait for you to try it, and it's going to take a lot of stress and pressure out of your homeschool day. Drop a comment. Let me know if this helped you.